Why have you got all of them, Rafs?
You got Michael and Camilla, and then there's Raphael. In 2018 we had Ariel. Our love is real, it feels surreal. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy the thrill. A typical day in a noble's household. We come from London where it's always cold. Daddy has to change the baby's bum bum, whilst mommy has to soothe Raphael's tum tum. Things are crazy as you can tell. At the end of everything it ends all well. The nobles. The nobles.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you guys? Merry Christmas. It's the Vlogmas 10 today. No. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Vlogmas 11. Today's the 11th. Babe, is today the 11th?
25th.
You look so pretty.
Right. Yeah, so today. Oh, you done poo? Daddy? Right, I'll change your nappy in a bit. Right, guys, let me quickly tell you what we're doing today. Going gym, as per usual. Then I'm going to take my mum Costco. Oh, you want to get down? And then we're going to make some Christmas decorations. The kid's godmother, our friend, she gave us, well, she lent us these cool things. So we've got this dough here. And we're going to make some Christmas decorations. And then we've got some lovely glitter. Ooh. And we've got some, let me get it. And we've got some letters here. So yes, we're gonna make our own Christmas decorations to hang up on the tree. And that's what we're gonna do today. So, I'm gonna go gym. Hello. Who do you think you are?
Painting.
Alright, Ariel.
Painting called Madison.
Right, I'm gonna go gym. I won't take you guys along with me to Costco because you've already seen us shop at Costco. So it's gonna be a bit boring for you to see again. But I will show you guys when we start creating our own Christmas decorations. See you soon.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, I'm at my mum's house. This is what happens at my mum's house. The cousins play fight with each other whilst the dog stares. So that's what that loud noise is at the background. Right, so I've taken my mum Costco, I've gone gym, and now I'm back at my mum's, and we're gonna start doing these. So we've got Christmas trees, we've got reindeers, we've got some stars, and then we've got the Play-Doh and the rolling pin, and then the glitter and things like that. Thanks, Mum. So, let's begin. We've got Santa Claus. What we're gonna do is let him dry and then we'll paint him.
Low.
Wait, Rafs.
Behind the scenes of what's happening.
You have to roll it.
No, don't film me.
With the monstrous baby A's and the not so monstrous Auntie Nana.
How you guys getting on? You're doing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. What about you, Rafs?
Me making us paper.
Do you need help?
No.
So guys, what I'm gonna do is just put some holes to put the strings in so we can hang it off the tree. I've just put a hole through there. So that's where the strings are gonna go. And I'm just gonna do that with all of them. Right guys, we are finished. We have to wait for the Play-Doh to dry so we can decorate it tomorrow. So this is gonna be a to be continued video. And it was very short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll show you how it looks tomorrow. I'm gonna go wash my hands now because I don't know if you can see. It's all dirty. Right, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas 11, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.